guys, welcome again to Learning TWI the Fun Way with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi. One of my best friends sitting right next to me, his name is Reji.
Hi.
We've known each other for almost 16 years.
Almost 16, yeah. I'll take
Okay,
it.
we've known each other for a long time. He was the first person that liked my video. He was the first person that subscribed to it, so I figured, why not come here and actually have him on the show? So Reggie had a few words that he wanted me to translate, and let's hear it. What do you want to know?
All right. Thank you.
And why you want to know those words?
All right.
Yes.
I have a few words, actually.
Yeah.
I like practical sentences.
Mm-hmm.
So I've been watching your channel since literally day one.
Subscribe.
Friends. So I wanted to ask greetings, basically.
Yeah.
Like good morning. Like a general greeting. If I ever meet someone from Ghana, or if I am in Ghana visiting, how do I greet people?
Okay.
Does it matter if it's night, morning, or
Okay.
is there one big generic greeting I can get away with?
Okay, cool. So if you want one general greeting, that would be Ohuntiseng, which is how are you?
Okay.
Yeah? So that one, well, depending on which part of Ghana you are,
Yes.
if they speak Twi predominantly, then Ohuntiseng is basically you saying, how are you?
Oh,
That's good enough. But with the greetings, if you meet somebody and go Maakye, that is good morning.
Okay.
I know it's a bit complicated with the way we literally sound, but Maakye is good morning. Maadwo is good evening.
All right.
Maaha is good afternoon.
All right.
So those are the three that you want to say. So if you rock up at my house in Ghana in the morning and you want to say morning, you probably say Maakye.
Maakye.
Yes, which is good morning.
All right.
Great, is getting good. Then if you want to say good afternoon,
Yes.
you say Maaha.
Maaha.
Yes. Then if you want to say good evening, you say Maadwo.
Maadwo.
Yes.
Oh boy.
Those are the three. So what else do you want to know?
All right. Now that I've greeted people
Yes.
properly, I would like to ask, let's rock up at your house
Yes.
in Ghana and ask you how are you, and we dispense with the greetings. I'd like to find out what we're eating.
100%. So you want to know what are we having?
Yes. Not just, visiting a friend, you know, let's say I go to a restaurant, you know, what are we eating, and I'm with friends, like what are we having?
Okay,
basically.
all right. Well, it's not complicated, right?
Yeah.
You'd say, Ɛdeɛn is what?
Okay.
Ɛdeɛn is
Ɛdeɛn.
what, right?
Yes.
Na is, it's basically have.
Okay.
Na is like have, right?
Yeah.
So Ɛdeɛn na is what are. It's more of are than have, yes. So it's Ɛdeɛn na, what are.
Okay.
Yɛredi, ye is like us.
Yes, yeah.
Yɛredi is eating. So basically, what are we eating?
All right.
Ɛnɛ is today. Or if you want.
All right.
Ne?
Yes.
So Ɛdeɛn na yɛredi. It's a bit long, I understand.
I get it. You know,
It's fine.
food will help me.
But as usual, I have all these words and sentences in the description.
Yeah.
So just in case you missed the one that's probably overhead somewhere right now, then you can go to the description and actually read and you find out what was said.
All right.
So what other words do you need?
All right. Going to the shops as a tourist, going to the shops and asking someone, may I please have, or how much is, to buy something from someone. How do we
say it?
Yes.
Yeah, and it's usually in Ghana or in Twi, when you ask for something, there's always please.
All right.
So out of respect, as a sign of respect, that's what we do. So if you want to say, can I please have something like that, would be mɛtumi, anya. Can I please have?
Okay.
So it's like mɛtumi, anya. Ma is like can.
Yes, yes.
Right? So it's like can I have?
Yes.
Or can I please have? If you want to add the please, it would be Mepawokyɛw. Mepawokyɛw is please.
All right.
Mɛtumi, anya.
Mɛtumi.
Yes.
Slowly
Can
but
I
surely.
have?
Can I have? Like if I go to shop.
Yes, shop or vendor and you're trying to
can
buy
I have
some.
some fish? You know?
Yes.
Mɛtumi.
Anya.
All right.
He got it. He got it. He's doing well. Okay. One more if you want.
I was thinking, a lot of times you are somewhere and you just want to ask someone what time is it.
What time? Okay, yeah.
So, you know, usually the time itself might be in English, but the asking and the answer is sometimes different in the local language. So what time is it?
Okay. What time is it is simple. The words are simple. What time is it in Twi is aboseng.
Aboseng.
Yeah. So if you come to me right now as you're talking in South African time, it's actually 11:30.
Oh.
So if you come to me and you tell me aboseng, I will respond and say abo 11 if you're rounding off to 11 or 12.
Okay.
So it's actually simple. Everyone can learn how to say that. So
aboseng.
Yes, just saying aboseng means what time is it? Then the person will be like, will respond saying abo, it is, then you say the time as well.
All right, that's a good one. I'm definitely going to use it in a sentence today.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad. Aboseng.
Yeah, I like it saying.
All right, guys, thank you. We'll have Reji again for one of our channels, and he's also going to start a channel. When he starts his, what I'll do is I'll actually add his link to my description channel. He's very smart. He's one of the smartest guys that I know. He might not, he hates when I say that, but he's really smart, right? So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and remember to click on the bell button so when new videos come out, you'll be the first to know. And I hope you enjoyed. And by the way, you can also download the TWI Junior Pro app. It's on the Android shop. There's a free version, which is just TWI Junior. It's free, but it has ads and everything else, and doesn't have as much content as the Pro, and it doesn't have a lot of exercises like tests. But the Pro has more, and the Pro is actually less than $1. I was just doing for keepsake. So anyone can actually get it for the fun of it. There are no ads. So having that plus these little tutorials that I'm doing will actually help you learn the language faster. So till next time, Reji,
still next time.
We'll try again. Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.